Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore GitHub account security after leaked tokens warning step by step clearly. If you've received a warning about leaked tokens on your GitHub account, it's time to take immediate action to restore your account's security. Begin by logging into your GitHub account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu in the right corner of the page. Click on Developer Settings located in the sidebar. Select Personal Access Tokens under the Access Tokens section. Review the list of tokens displayed. Identify any tokens you believe may have been exposed or leaked. Click on the Delete button next to any compromised token to remove it from your account. Next, navigate back to the Personal Access Tokens page. Click on Generate New Token to create a new access token. Fill in a descriptive note for your new token to remember its purpose. Select the necessary scopes or permissions for the new token based on your needs. Click on the Generate Token button at the bottom of the page. Ensure you copy the new token and store it securely, as it won't be visible again. After securing your tokens, review your repositories for any unusual activity. Check the repository settings to ensure no unauthorized changes have been made. If you discover any suspicious activity, work to revert those changes immediately. Next, enable two-factor authentication on your GitHub account for added security. Return to the Settings menu and click on Security. Select Two-factor authentication and follow the prompts to set it up. It is recommended to use an authentication app for a secure method of confirmation. Finally, review your email and recover any compromised email accounts linked to your GitHub. Change your email passwords and enable two-factor authentication on those accounts as well. Monitor your GitHub account closely in the following weeks for any signs of unauthorized access. By following these steps, you will have significantly improved the security of your GitHub account after receiving a leaks warning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.